Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to ProtraderPath. I'm back with another video, and this is going to be a very funny video to be honest. So I hope you will learn a lot from this. Okay, why I'm saying this is because I saw one of my friend whom most of you may know. He posted some sort of challenge on the Twitter, and when I saw the challenge it was already too late to be honest, but when I saw it, I thought, why not taking that challenge? Okay, so it is time for next step, something like that. You pause the video, you go there, and this is some of my profits on my account that I have already traded during the buy side run, because my daily drawn liquidity was the buy side, and that's what I'm doing. And I recorded the video intentionally on the part where I'm executing the things and kept the left part mostly outside of the focus so that you can see all the profit and loss and everything clearly. However, here is a proof that that's what I actually recorded and how I recorded. I'm not cropping out or editing out anything out of this video. Okay, and since I made profit, a lot of profit actually on my both accounts, I did not consider accepting the challenge on my regular account or on my funded account. However, I connected a paper trading account and started trading from where the market is moving. I just looked into the chart, draw few things. As you saw, like over on the top side, I draw a inversion fair value. Why I marked it as inversion fair value, it may be controversial to a lot of people, but that's how I look into market. Okay, and you will see me later on a few other things. I'm gonna explain everything, and that's why I'm actually doing this voiceover, because I had no intention to make a video regarding this. I only wanted to post the first entry and share it with my friend so that he can have fun with the entry as well. However, what happened here is there is a bullish fair value, or BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, that I marked on the top, and market closed lower than that before taking the buy side liquidity one more time. And also this run on the sell side was coming from after taking the previous daily buy side liquidity. And you will see me pointing at few things during the video. Since there were no audio over there, I don't know if you will understand or not. And as you saw, like the market was going to the level that I anticipated to enter into so many times, but it gives me some sort of feedbacks, and as a result I did not get all my orders filled. However, I will show you like why I'm saying this. And since my friend actually challenged like 5 handles or so, I have the sell side liquidity equals sell side liquidity mark on the lower side. As you can see, like the red line that says sell side liquidity, but I targeted the take profit on the top of the new week opening gap. Okay, and I kept the 5 handle take profit level as well on the long positioning tool or something on the trading view, the like the trade entry tool. And as you can see, I have moved my other limit order. Since I saw all these moves, I was anticipating market won't go back and fill me up over there one more time, so I moved it to the new inversion fair value that I just marked. Okay, why I'm saying this inversion fair value is because when market came inside of that fair value, it disrespected it first. Like I'm making it very short and simple. Okay, so there will be a lot of other explanations, but you will see me throughout the video. Okay, why I'm marking what I'm marking. There will be a lot of other things, but anyway, what I'm saying here is market came lower, traded lower, and it straight away disrespected both of the bullish fair value gaps over there. As you can see, like there are 2 fair value gaps. It disrespected both of them. Now why I marked that one is because if market wanted to go higher, first thing, okay, this thing happened before market came here and reversed and took the liquidity from recent swing high, that fair value that I marked and where I entered at the bottom. And then there will be the midpoint where I marked as well, because I know that price will go to the 50% level. Now this fair value, you will see me drawing from different levels as well, but what I'm saying is here that there is a volume imbalance involved with that fair value. That's why my observation, okay, this is my observation, the way I look into the market, is that the 50% that I'm counting here for my entry was including that volume imbalance and fair value gap. Okay, and you will see the market will tap that, but it won't fill up any of my pending orders over there. Okay, and as you can see, my stop loss is right on the top, because I believe that market will never go there before delivering the sell side. The market tapped into my pending limit order, but it didn't fill me up, and I'm just giving you guys the volume imbalance level as well, why I included that part with my fair value. And as you can see, like market tapped inside of that pending order, it didn't fill me up. Okay, maybe because on the paper trading there might be 5 seconds delay or something. Now this sell short positioning tool that I have I have on my chart, the take profit here is 5 handle. Although my target was bit higher, I kept it there because I wanted to see, I wanted to show that the 5 handle on ES, if it's reaching there or not. Okay, even though the drawn liquidity was higher, where can market possibly go is the consequent encouragement, or the midpoint of the new week opening gap. That's why I kept the 5 handle. Okay, just for the challenge purpose. Okay, is it a challenge? I don't know, but anyway, I wanted to show, or I wanted to see if I have the ability to take entries without any sort of fair value gaps or any other things influenced over there. Okay, any other influences on the chart or not. So maybe this is a gamble, and I'm a good gambler, and you will see me drawing the point where premium and discount aligns. Also I will show you the inversion fair value positioning, like where exactly the inversion fair value is actually sitting. Okay, because the price at this low, it created equal lows, but it didn't take the liquidity. Okay, and now the OTZ, okay, optimal trade entry or trading zone, however you want to call it. Now look where the market previously went. Okay, from the lowest point to the highest point, where it went inside of the OTZ. Before taking the liquidity, it didn't take the liquidity, it created equal low, and that gave me even higher bias. Then that market gonna eventually go lower to that liquidity. Okay, although the liquidity level was there, I didn't consider that as my take profit, because it's not just the liquidity, you need to know the draw on liquidity as well. Okay, so that's why my take profit is lower than where the liquidity level is, and you will see me pointing at few things over there as well, but I will explain over the time. Like, since I'm doing a voiceover, I think a lot of things won't make sense. You see, like where it went straight to my take profit and that 5 handle, and that's consequent encouragement. So this was live recording, that's what I'm showing here. So with 5 lots I got 1125 profit. Okay, and the other order that it didn't fill, if it filled up that order, it could have been even more, because the other entry was way higher than the entry that I had over here. And the overall profit could have been over like nearly 2500 or more than that maybe. So that's the one entry that I took. Now the second, I'm gonna take another entry here. Okay, and I'm gonna point at some things, mark few things over there. There will be controversies, that's why I started making this. Okay, so is it I'm gonna show you a few things. Okay, because why I'm showing what I'm showing, the second time that the entry I took from the lowest to the highest, is it in the premium? Okay, why I took the lowest, I'm explaining here. Okay, the lowest and highest that the IFBZ run, you see that IFBZ, like I didn't mark it here on the second IFBZ, but why I marked it as IFBZ is because market disrespected both of those fair values, and at the same time it didn't take the buy side liquidity. At least it had to take the high, equal high inside of that upper IFVG that I have written to go higher. Okay, that's why it didn't take that, it came lower. It retested beautifully the midpoint that I marked the way I look into chart. Yes, if I mark the fair value gap only and the midpoint of that could have been my entry, but I marked that way, price hit that level, but it didn't fill me up. What can I do about this? You will see me checking entries over here in the market execution, and the delay is giving me a shitty entry. Okay, now what I said about a entry, anyone who knows trading, who knows how the fair value gap works, you know where my take profit could be. Okay, although it's here, I will point at my current profit and other things over and over again, so I don't want to make it controversial. You will see me adding positions. Okay, but remember, like, the precision I'm showing here. Okay, the precision, focus on that. The precision I'm showing here. Do you think that I don't know where to take the profits and where to if I know the entry this well, do you think I don't know where to take the profit? The reason I'm saying this is because I will not take this profit. Okay, that's the disclaimer. I will not take this profit. Instead, I will hit my stop loss. Why and when, I will explain that later, because let the video play. I have everything written over there, but I want you guys to also know that why I'm saying that. Okay, you will see me drawing a line on some random levels. Okay, because I'm a very good gambler, so I love to gamble. I will draw a line, I will enter into more positions, and then I will even say, like, I wish the new week opening gap was not there. As simple as that. There means I will even say, like, it was bit lower where I targeted. But I hope after seeing the precisions that I'm gonna show here, you will understand that why I didn't close my position or move my take profit over there. You will see me adding more positions without moving my stop loss a single peep, by a single peep. Okay, but where I will be taking my positions, that's very funny thing. A lot of people will have different approaches regarding that. Now this is a very big candle and energetic move towards upside. Do you think I'm afraid? Did I move my stop loss anything? I'm gonna add more position over there. As you can see, I'm selling 5 more lots over there. Okay, where did I sold it? You will see me drawing a line as well, and you will see how market reacts from that line. Now why I marked that specific candle and that low, this one I'm not gonna give this information here. Okay, because people who gonna watch it, they need to know that observation. Why I'm saying that I'm not gonna give you the fair value gap, I'm not gonna give you how price gonna react from there, because if you look into that, you will understand what I'm saying over here. Okay, if you learn by yourself, everything will be mapped. On my previous trade execution video, I showed you that although I didn't have few levels marked over there, but I had the calculation in my eyes, in my mind. Okay, if you have watched my previous trade execution video, the video I uploaded before this one, you will know. So I added this position, and still I know that market can go up higher. That's why I put another sell short up there. Okay, and this is live recording. I'm not saying this is what I took in my original account, but think before you come to a conclusion that where can be my take profit and when I'm this precise about my entries. Okay, every place that I marked, is price hitting those places or not? Just think about it, and then you think that if I had to take the profit, where could have been the take profit. Okay, just wait and watch how market reacts from this area. I know it may not make sense to a lot of people. Okay, it may not sound so good or something, because you are seeing that it's disrespecting your bearish fair value gap. Okay, but if you have watched my previous live streaming where I talked about the PDRS, then you will get some idea about why I'm not too bothered about that fair value. Okay, all these moves, all these energetic moves from a order block mean threshold. You saw the order block I have marked on the bottom. I mostly mark the body parts, because the mean threshold, you will see how beautifully it reacted from the mean threshold, but eventually what the market did. Okay, just look where I placed my other order, and did I move my stop loss any single bit? I didn't move my stop loss. But anyway, let's watch what's happening here, and let's go with the flow, like why I actually didn't close my position or why I kept it running. Because today one of my very good follower or subscriber, he asked me few questions, like the day I made over $2,400 profit, he couldn't find a single setup. Now am I this good every time? No, I'm not. Okay. Yeah, I'm writing here, I'm the best gambler on earth because I gamble. Okay, and the line I draw, price completely ruined that line. As you can see, it just tapped over there, filled me up, and now going lower. So yeah, and the mean threshold, of course, you need to look go to your chart. I think you can see the time as well, at around what time I'm doing this. So when you see the last down close candle, just mark the mean threshold of that candle. Okay, if you want. If not, if you are thinking the other small black candle is your order block, then you will understand what I'm saying. Okay, whatever, however you want to mark it, just mark it. The last down close candle before that single green candle, that candle took all the liquidity from left, even the candle before that as well. But as you can see, price completely disrespecting that bearish fair value. But am I worried? Am I moving my stop loss? Am I stopping my recording, anything? And what I'm writing over there, I'm the best gambler, right? That's what I am. I'm the best gambler. Now you think that where can be my take profit of what it calls the take profit level, since there is that new week opening gap. I'm not saying this because I know what happened in the market or anything, but you will see me writing before anything is happening. Okay, you will see me writing all those things on the chart, like what I'm focusing and what I'm pointing. You will see me doing that before anything happening, or these things are happening in the market. Now that I'm doing the voiceover, because I think it's important, because people who knows ICT concept, people who has some sort of idea about trading ICT, okay, they know where the take profit is. As simple as that. I already have a profitable trade, first thing first, because this is a what it called, this is a paper trading. I don't bother about what the profit is showing over there. But why I'm saying this is because you will see me writing a few things, maybe now or something, like around this time I'm gonna write that I wish the new day opening gap was not there, it was bit lower. Okay, and think, like, you see me drawing this level. Why you think I'm drawing that level? Because there is that fair value, bullish fair value, that with one candle, like immediate rebalance, that's what I'm saying. Okay, that immediate rebalance happened over there by that much. Okay, that bullish fair value. If the new day opening gap was lower than the other fair value that I marked, where I targeted with my take profit, which is completely wrong, and you see me writing it. Okay, here I'm writing, I wish the new day opening gap, new week opening gap wasn't there and little lower. Now I already have $1,600 in profit. Okay, it could have been more easier for price to go there, but where is the take profit? I'm already drawing my liquidity level or target. On the bottom I have a line drawn. That's what I could have taken my profit from. Okay, not even the recent low, that low. You see me pointing at that fair value. You see, everything I'm doing here, I'm doing it live, right? So I hope you are understanding that thing. And this equal low is too clean to leave behind. And now I'm gonna give you guys my take profits. Okay, now I have over $2,200, around $2,200 profit on top of there. It will go even higher, but I still didn't take. I'm still showing you my take profit level, but I still didn't take it. You will see me, it gonna go even lower. Like the price gonna go even lower, but I still didn't take my profit. Okay, I just kept it there, because if the new week opening gap was not there, okay, I'm saying it over and over again, I wrote it also, okay, I hope you saw that. Just think, like, you guys, if you guys think that I'm making it up, then it's up to you. Okay, good luck with your trading career or whatever you want to do, but just think what I'm showing here is because the entries, the levels that I marked from the first entry until this point, and look how much profit I still have. Did I consider anything, like moving my take profit, moving my stop loss, moving my entry point from one place to another when I'm seeing prices going lower without tapping that that line that I have drawn over there, where I wrote like I'm the best gambler? Around that area I have a line over there. Okay, did I move my entry lower? Anything? I just left it there, let the market do its job, come there, fill me up, then it started going lower. Okay, so when I have that much confidence and that much precision about entering into a trade, I hope you know that where I could have taken my take profit. You saw me still pointing at that, and at the end I'm gonna write something as well regarding the stop loss, but you will understand why, like why I left it is because my friend, like some of my followers, okay, not my friend, you guys may get me wrong regarding that one, some of my YouTube channel subscribers, followers, they couldn't find any entry. Okay, they couldn't find where to enter, where to exit, things like that. But why they couldn't find is because they couldn't see, they didn't do the calculations. Okay, they didn't do the calculations by themselves, they didn't follow the rules that I'm trying to teach them. I'm trying to teach them like where it can react from. You see me drawing this, okay? Why I draw it and remove it? Because I know what's happening. Over and over and over again, I talked about the common area, okay? And if you know, like if you are following my channel, if you are watching my video, you will know that the common area, how I'm drawing it every time, okay? I'm talking about the common area. I'm gonna write something here as well, but is there any reason for a move like this to tap that line again and then coming lower? Okay, didn't take it. Let's get the stopped out. Let's get stopped out. I wrote that. Okay, why I wrote that? Don't get me wrong. Why I wrote that is because people often targets the wrong area when they're taking entry. You just look where the price is tapping there. I'm gonna write that as well, okay, that this time it won't hold before it breaks above. Even though it gonna come lower and I think close lower or something, I'm gonna write something over there. Okay, keep an eye on where it is reacting from. Just, and here I'm writing it won't hold this time. Did I write it here? Yes. And did I said it not gonna hold? Yes. And was the market giving me any like was the market there stop me out during that time? No. But why I left it over there? Why I didn't take that over $2,000 profit? You saw me, like why this entry and why that for? Just look at where the premium and discount comes, and if that is your dealing range, where is your take profit? Now this part is for the people who trust me, my process, who knows what I target when I target. I'm gonna add the screenshot of what price delivered during that move before you go and think that I am just making this up or something. This is a comparison side by side where I entered, where my stop loss was, and what I usually target. Told you guys all about my take profit criteria 1:2. If you don't remember, go watch any of my video, any of my trade execution, live streaming, anything. So I have just gave you that, and after giving me that profit, look from where price again came back to the lower part and the fair value that I marked. And trust me when I'm saying this, if this video was not going that long, and if I took that profit intentionally where I was supposed to take my profit, I would show you that I could go long from that specific fair value again, and you will know why later if you stay with me in my channel. So yes, until next time, take a very good care of yourself and your health, and take care. Bye bye.